Are you tired of battling dry, brittle hair that looks dull no matter what you try? Imagine a conditioner that not only hydrates but also repairs and strengthens your hair, leaving it healthy, shiny, and smooth. That's exactly what Keratherapy Moisture Conditioner promises. Designed for normal to the driest hair types, it delivers deep conditioning where your hair needs it most. I've seen the difference myself. As someone with naturally blonde hair, I know how easily it can get damaged from sun exposure and daily styling. When I first started using this conditioner, my hairstylist immediately noticed the improvement. She consistently compliments how healthy my hair looks now. I even stopped using it for a while, and she pointed out the change right away. That kind of feedback speaks volumes about the product's effectiveness. What sets this conditioner apart is how it works. You apply it from mid-lengths to ends, targeting the driest parts that need extra care. Leaving it in for just 3 to 4 minutes before rinsing gives your hair time to absorb the nourishing formula. For the best results, pair it with the Keratherapy Moisture Shampoo to lock in moisture and boost your hair's resilience. It's a simple step that makes a noticeable difference. If you spend a lot of time outdoors, like many of us do, you'll appreciate how this conditioner protects your hair from sun damage while keeping it soft. Users report their hair feeling smoother and more manageable even after days in the sun. That's what you get when your hair is properly hydrated and repaired at the core. Worth a look if you're serious about improving your hair's health without complicated routines or harsh chemicals. Keratherapy Moisture Conditioner fits easily into your daily care, giving you salon-quality results at home. If that's you, ready to say goodbye to dry, lifeless hair, try it when you're ready. Your hair will thank you.